Here, we're going to have a game. Can you see it at the back? Game 1, you're going to read what's in the front. Read it. Read it.
Boy. Boy.
The answer is boy. Okay, next. Next one, read it. School! Wow! You can read the finger sign na ha. How about this one? Again? No. I heard it. Blue. May I see your hands? Spell it in your hands. B. E. Blue. Next one. Oh, it's a phrase. We are spectacular. Special. We are special. This one for girls. I am pretty. Galing yung magbasa ng finger sign ha. Next one. You are.
Wait. What is that? In the first one.
P.
Pretty.
You are pretty. Count 1 to 1 million using one finger only, one hand only.
Wait, 1 million?
Yes.
It says 100
Here.
though.
Yeah. Look. Let's start from 0 to 10. Matthew. 0.
The baby's crying.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, how do
May I see the 3?
How do you do it?
Number 3 is like this. It's not like this because this is letter F. Again. 0, 1, 2, 3.
3. Wait, there.
Yes, 3. That's W. That's W. This is number 3 in sign.
4.
Okay, you're 6 na. 3, 4, 5, 6,
Do 6. I'm already on 8.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to wiggle it. 10. Wala nang 11 dyan. Hindi ako makahanap sa internet.
I didn't see the 10.
Uy, Saya, wait lang.
Okay, like this?
Oh,
there you go. 11 like this?
No, I said one hand only, right? 11 is 11.
Like this? Like that?
11.
Like what? I can say 12.
12. Number 2. 13. Number 4. 14.
I'm
15. Number 6. 16.
17.
17. 18. 19. And number 20 is bang. See? How about 21? 20, and then you're going to add 1. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. How is 30? Very good. 30. 31. 31. 32. 33. 39. How is 40?
Like this.
Very good. Okay. 10,
I'm already tired.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70,
Hit me.
80, 90. How is 100?
100.
How is 100? 1,
One.
Roman numeral sign,
One.
C.
100. 100. 1,000,000.
So easy, right?
Yeah.
How is 1 million? 1,000 muna. 1,000. 2,000. 3,000. 4,000. How is 1 million? 1 million. Bakit? Kasi how many comma in 1,000?
Careful.
How many comma? 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 1. There's the, in 1 million, 0, 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0, comma, 1. 1 million, 2, comma. Oh. Yeah. Adding 0 means adding comma, means that's adding million to zillion to trillion to gazillion. Wait, wait. Oh, guess the number. Ay, hindi siya guess the number. Okay. You're going to sign number 12 in your hand. Activity. 12. It's your 12. Very good. 12.
I got it.
All right. Next.
Let me try this one.
Sign of 27.
Okay, so I got it. Like this.
20. Very good. 27. 7. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's the baby.
There's the baby.
The baby's cute.
Bye-bye, baby. Oh, how is the sign of 43?
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it.
40. Where's 40?
I got it.
40.
Tita, I got it. Tita, I got it.
3. 43. Oops, 3. All right.
Like this, Tita.
Yes.
Like
Very
this.
good, Isa. Yes, correct. Next one.
Yay!
500.
500.
How is the sign of 500?
500.
No, sign of 100.
500.
Sign of 100.
I forgot.
Diba 1?
Like this.
100 is 1.
I got it.
1, see, how is 500? 5, see, very good. 500.
501. 500.
Oh, 162. 160. Very good. Good job. Ang galing nyo nang mag-sign. Ah, oh my. 3,000. Ay, thank you. 3,200.
I got it. I got it. I got it. Is it like this?
Okay, again. One by one. 3,229. I see? 3, 200. Okay. 3, 29. 3,000. 3,229. 3,229. Nakita ko na. Next, 3,000. thousand, 200, 129. Uy, ang galing. Next. 3,229. Oh, sige. Dahil nakita ko nag-sign si Dane. Ay, very good. Kapag kausap niyo yung deaf, do not wiggle your hands when talking. Isabel, look at my hands. Can you read this?
No.
Can you read it? Oh, just sign B-O-Y.
Boy.
Yes. No wiggling. Can you read it?
No.
Mahihilo,
Now I know it.
mahihilo siya. Ano ito?
Two.
Okay. Dalawa lang. Name and age lang. You're going to introduce yourself in sign. Yes. Name and age. Age is this one. Wait. My name. The nameplate here. Name.
My name.
Tapos, Isabel. Okay, like that. One by one. Tapos, my age. Age. I'm
34.
Oh, right. One by one here.
Is it like this?
Oh, wait lang, wait lang. Come here, come here. Isaiah first. Isaiah.
How is I again?
Okay. Oh, Isaiah first. Everyone, you're going to talk. Isaiah will sign. And then, one by one. Oh, next, Isaiah, here.
I again.
My. Age. No, just say your age. Age. My age is. How old, Kuya Isaiah? 9. You're 9 years old na? Oh? Okay, your turn. One by one. 9. Oh, sit down muna kayo. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Take your seats. Okay, oh, Isa. Isa will not talk, ha? You will talk for Isa. Okay. I cannot hear you. My is Y S A L. How is L? L. Isabel. Oh. Age. My age is. How old are you? 6? Whoops. 8. All right. Next is. E. E. All right. Bell age. My age is. How old are you? She is 7. How old are you? You're 8. Correct. She's 8.
And the baby's trying to play with the speaker.
Yeah. Isabel. Isabel. Bell is 8. This is 6, 7, 8. All right. Next. Shirin. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Sige, up ka, Shirin. Oh, Shirin will not talk. You will talk for Shirin. Go. Is. Shirin. My age is 7? 9. Nana, your turn. Mahaba na yung patibay. Okay. Luna will not talk. You will talk for her. No talking. Name is you and A. Okay. My age. Like this. Age is, oh, how old are you? How old are you? Oh, let her. Mag-work na. How old are you? Mommy? Like this, like this. Show it to them. She is 6. Okay, who's next? Ellie. Very good. Yeah, let the baby. Oh, next. Oh, sit down first. Sit down first.
The baby is playing with the computer.
Sige na, ah. Oh, look. I need a voice because Ate Ellie will not produce a sound. Okay, ready? My? Ay, O ba yan? Okay, E, I, L, Y. My age is, how is it? 10. Correct? Next one. I cannot hear you. O, L, E. Only. My age is,
The baby's slapping the computer.
Ate Oli is 7 or 8? 8. Correct? 8. Next one. Oh, you're 7. Like this is 7.
Baby doctor like
Oh, everyone will talk for Aki. Name is E L I L. My age is 7. Next one.
slapping the
Okay, oh everyone, we need a voice. Is how is okay? D A E N. D. My age is 8. Correct? Next one.
Baby's working on computer.
Let her. Let her work.
She's busy.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, read.
My name is E-L-I. What did
Ellie. My age
is
11.
You mean
Next one.
111
Who else?
because
Aki.
He said 111 because he did what 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. No, it's okay. This is 11 lang. This is 100 eh. 1, 2, 3. Hindi man, hindi. What happened?
She fell.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Voice first at Kuya Aki. A Q, I. Age is 11. It's okay. Nagulat lang siya, nagulat. Nagulat lang siya. Napaupo lang siya. Okay, thank you. Oh, everyone, done na magpakilala? I'm gonna send this to your mom. You're going to memorize the finger spelling. If we're going to have other second session, you're going to introduce yourself to my friend. A real deaf, okay? You're going to talk to them. Yes. We're going to interact with them using sign. Last one na lang ito. Nawala yung aking ano.
But are we gonna do it later?
Ito. No, next time. This one. Greetings and polite expression so that you will learn how to say hello to them. How are you? Oh, the answer is fine. O kaya okay. Next. This is yes.
Yes.
It's like your head nodding. Yes. Next one is no. Letter N and O. No.
How do you do it?
No. Yes, like this. No.
Okay. I love you.
I love you. Why? I-L-Y. I love you.
Meet.
Oh. Meet. Meet.
Like this?
Yes.
It's like the people meeting.
Yeah, people meeting.
Like this?
Deaf, di ba? You know it na. Okay na yan. Next time yung family members kasi information overload na tayo.
That's my brain hurts. Let's play.
Oo. Oo nga eh.
I'm tired. What do you think of